Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites: subscription, role permissions, and tool access. Open the Azure portal or Azure CLI and sign in. Choose a region that meets latency and compliance needs. Create a Service Bus namespace now. Pick Basic, Standard, or Premium based on throughput and features. Once done, make sure the namespace name is unique and note the resource group. This first step establishes the topology you'll use for queues, and it controls cost and latency. You now create the queue inside the namespace. Click Queues, then Add and enter a clear name. Set max size, default message TTL, and pick lock duration for competing consumers. These affect throughput and message visibility. Configure max delivery count and enable dead lettering to handle poison messages. Choose partitioning for scale or duplicate detection to prevent retries from creating duplicates. Once configured, apply the settings and wait for provisioning to complete, so you finalize by retrieving a connection string or creating a SAS policy with required rights. Use the official SDK for your language to implement send and receive logic. Test thoroughly, send messages, receive, and verify dead letter behavior. Monitor metrics and logs to confirm throughput and latency. If things go wrong, first check network access, RBAC or SAS key permissions, and quota limits. Make sure lock durations and TTLs aren't expiring unexpectedly. That single troubleshooting tip, verify auth and network, fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.